Just a short video on not losing the settings on your vehicle if you've got to take a starter motor or a transmission out like we're about to do. So what we've got is we've got this little jigger here that you plug into your OBD plug and connect it to a battery, and that'll just keep enough power in the circuit to your computer so you don't lose all your radio and seat and every other setting on your vehicle. There we go, we've got it hooked up to a battery, and now we can disconnect the battery that's in the boot. Okay, just make sure you don't knock these off while you're working on it as well, so just be aware of that, otherwise you will lose all your settings. Anyway, I hope that's helped. Thank you for watching.